Hi everyone, this is June 1st, the first day of Index Card a Day Challenge. I'm going to try this. I have this Tombow water-based marker. It has a brush tip end and a fine tip end. I have this number 10 round brush and I'm going to draw a simple shape. Today I'll do a flower. And it's not about perfection or doing things correctly at all. You're going to wet your brush. I learned this from Carla Sondheim. So you're going to take a wet brush, but you don't want it dripping wet. You want it just, so I wiped it off a little bit to make sure it wasn't dripping. And you're going to go right along the inside edge of where the marker is. What you're trying to do is just make that paint run, or that marker run. And I'm just making it up as I go along. All that matters is that we make a piece of art and we enjoy the time we're doing it, and maybe make it a little experiment-ish. So I always take one of my Fit pens. This is a extra small, and I write on the back of my artwork, iCAD 2023. This is number 1 of 61, and this is June 1. That way I know which year they came from. This is my artwork for today. It doesn't have to be special. You'll find you'll love it no matter what. If you really wanted to get spiffy about it, you could create a border, and we're done. Day 1 complete. Thanks for joining me for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.